Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a tutorial on how I'm transforming this old chicken feed bag, which was headed straight for the garbage, and I will be turning it into a reusable shopping tote.
So all you need for this project is an empty feed bag, scissors, and a sewing machine. I'm just using this chick feed bag, and I'm figuring out what size I want the bag. If you want it a smaller bag, you'll just cut it a little bit shorter, and I'm making mine pretty big, so I'm cutting over halfway. So then I just turn the bag inside out. Next, I'm taking the bottom corners and I'm folding them in so that they make a nice triangle shape. So all this does is make the bag a little bit roomier on the inside. So I'm then going to trim off just the corner pieces. And for the top, I'm just folding down the edges and I'm going to sew them together to make a nice smooth seam. The remainder of the bag that I didn't use, I'm going to be cutting these into long strips. I'm making them fairly wide because I'm going to be using these as the handles. So I cut them both to around the same size and the same length. So I'm just going to fold these together and then sew them into handles. So after I finish sewing the handles together, I'm going to be applying them to the bag. I'm going to put them about in the middle of the bag. And I'm just going to sew them directly onto the bag. And lastly, I'm just going to be trimming any of the remainder threads that may be loose or hanging out. Then I'm going to turn the bag inside out, and there you have it. This is just a super easy project that you can use just about any feed bag for, and it's a great way to recycle and upcycle, and you have a really nice quality bag.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channels for more crafting and DIY projects. Also, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and we will see you in the next video.